Imagine a quiet space within you, untouched by the chaos of daily life, a place where stress dissolves, thoughts settle, and a deep, unshakable calm takes root. In a world buzzing with deadlines, notifications, and endless worries, this inner peace feels like a distant fantasy. Yet the Buddha, who tamed his restless mind through meditation to achieve enlightenment, taught that this peace is not only possible but accessible to anyone willing to practice. His meditation techniques, grounded in mindfulness and compassion, are practical tools to quiet the noise, heal the heart, and unlock a serenity that endures life's storms. Let's embark on a Buddhist-inspired journey to master 6 powerful Buddha meditation techniques, weaving them into your life to cultivate inner peace, one breath at a time. Inner peace, in Buddhism, is the natural state of a mind free from the 3 poisons, craving, aversion, and ignorance, that fuel suffering. Meditation is the path to this freedom, training the mind to rest in the present, unattached to fleeting thoughts or emotions. The Buddha's techniques, developed through years of practice, offer structured ways to achieve this, from focusing on breath to cultivating boundless compassion. You don't need a monastery or hours of silence, just a willingness to begin. The first technique is Anapanasati, or mindfulness of breathing, the cornerstone of Buddhist meditation, anchoring your awareness in the breath to calm the mind and foster peace. Picture this. You're overwhelmed after a long day, your mind racing. I didn't finish, tomorrow's worse. Sit comfortably, spine straight, eyes soft. Feel your breath, cool air in, warm air out. Notice its rhythm at your nostrils or belly. When thoughts intrude, I'm too stressed, this won't help, label them thinking and return to the breath. In minutes, your heart slows, your mind quiets like ripples settling in a pond. The Buddha used Anapanasati to still his mind, finding clarity. You can use it to find calm, grounding peace. Practice it. Start with 10 minutes daily. Sit in a quiet space, focus on your breath, inhale for 4, exhale for 6. When distractions arise, I'm not doing this right. Note them and return. In daily life, pause when stress hits, feel 3 breaths, name the feeling, anxiety, and resume. Track it. Journal 1. Anapanasati moment daily, like breathing through a tense call. This technique builds a mind that rests in the present, unlocking inner peace through focus. The second technique is Metta Bhavana, or loving-kindness meditation. It's all about cultivating compassion to dissolve anger, guilt, or that sense of disconnection that can really block our peace. You know, a heart weighed down with resentment, thinking they hurt me, or self-criticism like I'm a failure, just can't find calm. Metta opens you up to kindness, beginning with yourself and radiating outward. So, let's say you're upset after an argument, and you keep thinking, I can't let this go. Just sit, breathe deeply, and silently repeat, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Really feel those words, picturing warmth in your heart. Then extend it first to a loved one, then to a neutral person, then even to someone you find difficult, and finally to all beings. May you be happy. This practice softens your heart, replacing tension with peace. The Buddha's metta fostered harmony. Yours too can foster tranquility. Practice it. Spend 10 minutes daily on metta. Sit, breathe, and repeat the phrases, starting with yourself and then others, really feeling each wish. Pair it with Anapanasati, notice resistance, thoughts like, I can't love them. And just return to the breath, then the phrases. In daily life, offer one kind thought every hour. Wish a co-worker peace or just smile at yourself. If anger resists, thinking they don't deserve it, breathe and repeat metta, like wishing ease even to a rival. Track it. Journal 1 metta moment each day, maybe when you softened during a conflict. This technique builds a heart that's warm, unlocking inner peace through compassion. The third technique is Vipassana, or insight meditation, where you observe thoughts, sensations, and emotions to see their impermanent and impersonal nature, which you know can really free you from clinging. A restless mind tends to grip tightly, thinking, this stress is me, it's forever. And that just disrupts any sense of peace. But Vipassana, well, it reveals thoughts as passing clouds, not your true essence. So, let's say you're anxious about a decision. Maybe thinking, I'll ruin everything. Just sit, breathe, and scan your body. Notice any tension, warmth, or maybe some tingling. Observe those thoughts, fear, worry, without judging them. See them arise and fade away. This loosens their hold on you, bringing a sense of calm. The Buddha's Vipassana led to enlightenment. Yours, can lead to peace. Practice it. Spend about 15 minutes daily on Vipassana. Sit down, start with Anapanasati for 5 minutes, and then observe sensations or thoughts, noting, hey, this is changing, this is impermanent. If you find yourself clinging, thinking this is too real, just return to the breath. In daily life, try observing one feeling every hour. Name it, like tension, and watch how it shifts. Track it too. Journal one Vipassana moment each day, maybe noting how a worry faded during a walk. This technique over time builds a mind that sees clearly, unlocking inner peace through insight. The fourth technique is Metta Bhavana, or meditation on impermanence, which is all about reflecting on the transient nature of all things to release attachment and, find peace. Clinging to permanence, thinking things like this pain will last or I need this to stay, really just fuels agitation. Metta reminds you that everything passes and that realization can truly free your heart. You're grieving a loss, thinking, I'll never recover. Now just sit, breathe, and reflect. All things change, my pain, my thoughts. Maybe picture leaves falling or clouds drifting by. This gentle reflection eases your grip, inviting calm. The Buddha's insight into impermanence brought peace. Yours can too. Practice it. Spend 10 minutes daily on Metta. Sit, use Anapanasati to focus, then reflect on change. A breath fades, a mood shifts. Repeat to yourself, this is impermanent. Pair it with Vipassana. Observe sensations changing. In daily life, notice one transient moment every hour. A stress lifts, a cloud moves. If you find yourself resisting, thinking this is forever, just breathe and reflect and track it. Journal 1. A Metta moment daily, like seeing a frustration pass. This technique builds a mind that flows, unlocking inner peace through acceptance. The fifth technique is Samatha, calm, abiding meditation, focusing on a single object to deepen concentration and still the mind. A scattered mind, what's next? Did I forget? Blocks peace. Samatha sharpens focus, kind of like a candle steadying in a breeze. You're distracted, thinking, I can't focus. Sit, gaze at a candle flame, or just imagine one. Rest your attention on it and return when thoughts wander. Your mind calms and peace emerges. The Buddha used Samatha to prepare for insight. You can use it for serenity. Practice it. Spend 10 minutes daily on Samatha. Sit, focus on a candle, breath or mantra like peace. Pair it with Anapanasati, notice wandering, I'm drifting, and return to the object. In daily life, focus on one task every hour, a sip of tea, a single email. If distraction tempts, I'll check my phone, breathe and refocus. Track it. Journal 1, Samatha moment daily, like focusing on a task without multitasking. This technique builds a mind that concentrates, unlocking inner peace through calm. The sixth technique is Tonglen, giving and taking meditation, a Tibetan Buddhist practice adapted here, where you breathe in pain and breathe out peace, transforming suffering for yourself and others. Isolation or fear, I'm alone, I'm broken, disrupts peace. Tonglen connects you to shared humanity, fostering calm. You're worried about a loved one, thinking I can't help. Sit, breathe in their pain or your own, imagining dark smoke. Breathe out peace, picturing light. Feel your heart open. The Buddha's compassion brought peace. Tonglen can bring yours. Practice it. Spend 10 minutes daily on Tonglen. Sit, use Anapanasati to center, then inhale pain, exhale peace for yourself, then others. Pair it with metta. Wish well after each cycle. In daily life, do one Tonglen breath hourly. Inhale a stress, exhale calm. If fear resists, this is too heavy, breathe and continue. Track it. Journal 1. Tonglen moment daily, like easing a worry with breath. This technique builds a heart that transforms, unlocking inner peace through connection. These 6 techniques, Anapanasati, Metta Bhavana, Vipassana, Metta Bhavana, Samatha, Tonglen, unlock inner peace by training your mind to rest, open and see clearly. The Buddha's meditations led to liberation. Yours can lead to calm. You're not your chaos, you're the breath, the compassion, the clarity that finds peace. Start now. Take a mindful breath, wish yourself calm and try Anapanasati for 5 minutes. Inner peace is yours. Unlock it and thrive.